Hello everyone, I am Madhulika and I welcome you all to my channel Uncomplicate with Madhulika. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add a page resource to our course in Moodle. So let's jump right in. Alright, so I am on my dashboard at the moment. To go to our course, we have to click on the course short name. So right now I am on my course. Now in the previous video, we had added a file resource to our course which is visible here. This is the PDF file which we had uploaded last time. Now I am going to add a page resource to the same unit. But for that, we have to put the course in editing mode. So let's turn editing on. Click on Turn Editing On. Alright, so now click on Add an Activity or Resource which is on the right side of the unit. We can see the list of resources provided by Moodle. Here we select a page. So let's write our page name. Add a description in the description box if required. I am going to add a description. Now the description is not visible to the students since display description on course page is disabled. But we want the students to view it, so we are going to enable it. So let's click on the checkbox. Now let's fill our page content. You can add text, links, images, videos, audios in the content. I am going to add text here. I have already prepared some text and I have saved it in a Word file. So this is my Word file and I'm going to copy and paste the text in the page content box. Now this is perfectly copied and you can format it as you like. Now that we're done filling our page, let's scroll down and go to our Appearance tab. Here also we are clicking on Display Page Description. Next we go to Activity Completion tab. Here you can enable the date and time by which you want the students to complete the activity. But right now I am just leaving it. Now we also have an option of completion tracking, but I do not want to indicate activity completion. So once we are done, click on Save and Return to Course. Now you can see the page that you have added. You can also change the title of your page by clicking on the pencil. I don't want to change it, so I am leaving it as it is. Once you are done, click on Turn Editing Off. Now let's see how the page looks to our students. Click on Switch Role to a Student. Once we change your role to a student, scroll down and go to the page and click on it to see how this is visible to them. So this is how this looks. And this is especially beneficial to people who are viewing your content from mobiles or have a poor internet connections, as a page does not take as much space compared to a file resource, and it also opens more quickly. So that's it, we have added a page resource on Moodle. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you liked it, then please hit the like button. Also please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also, if you have any feedback, queries or suggestions for what you want to see next, please write to me in the comment section.